Halo semuanya, pada video kali ini kita berlatih untuk mengartikan apa yang diucapkan orang dalam percakapan sehari-hari. Kita akan mulai dengan kalimat-kalimat yang pendek dan mudah dulu, lalu secara bertahap menuju ke kalimat yang lebih panjang dan kompleks. Kalimat bahasa Inggrisnya akan diucapkan 2 kali, dan cobalah untuk menerjemahkan arti atau maksud dari kalimat tersebut ke dalam bahasa Indonesia. Lalu cocokkanlah jawaban kamu pada akhir setiap kalimat. Mari langsung saja kita mulai.
Can you guess what I bought? Can you guess what I bought?
Bisakah kamu menebak apa yang saya beli?
I'm thinking about quitting smoking. I'm thinking about quitting smoking.
Saya berpikir untuk berhenti merokok.
I wake up early and think of positive things. I wake up early and think of positive things.
Saya bangun pagi dan memikirkan hal-hal positif.
The more you practice, the better you'll get. The more you practice, the better you'll get.
Semakin sering latihan, kamu akan menjadi semakin mahir.
I'm glad you're patient with me. I'm glad you're patient with me.
Saya senang kamu sabar dengan saya.
The traffic was terrible today. The traffic was terrible today.
Lalu lintas sangat buruk hari ini.
She always drinks coffee in the morning. She always drinks coffee in the morning.
Dia selalu minum kopi di pagi hari.
I have a meeting on Monday morning. I have a meeting on Monday morning.
Saya ada rapat pada hari Senin pagi.
I've already had lunch. I've already had lunch.
Saya sudah makan siang.
Is it okay if I ask for help? Is it okay if I ask for help?
Apakah boleh saya minta bantuan?
Have you visited any other countries? Have you visited any other countries?
Apakah kamu sudah mengunjungi negara lain?
After the meeting, I have some free time. After the meeting, I have some free time.
Setelah rapat, saya punya waktu luang.
I had to take a taxi instead. It was expensive. I had to take a taxi instead. It was expensive.
Saya terpaksa naik taksi sebagai gantinya. Itu mahal.
I'll be there right on time. I'll be there right on time.
Saya akan ada di sana tepat waktu.
I can't stop yawning today. I can't stop yawning today.
Saya tidak bisa berhenti menguap hari ini.
I hope I can visit all these places one day. I hope I can visit all these places one day.
Saya berharap bisa mengunjungi semua tempat ini suatu hari nanti.
I missed the bus this morning. I missed the bus this morning.
Saya ketinggalan bus pagi ini.
I heard you had an accident. I heard you had an accident.
Saya dengar kamu mengalami kecelakaan.
What time will you call? What time will you call?
Jam berapa kamu akan menelepon?
Why do you always argue with me? Why do you always argue with me?
Mengapa kamu selalu berdebat dengan saya?
It's okay, I don't mind waiting at all. It's okay, I don't mind waiting at all.
Tidak apa-apa, saya tidak keberatan menunggu.
I wash my car every weekend. I wash my car every weekend.
Saya mencuci mobil saya setiap akhir pekan.
I usually go to a car wash. I usually go to a car wash.
Saya biasanya pergi ke tempat cuci mobil.
What's the most interesting place you visited? What's the most interesting place you visited?
Apa tempat paling menarik yang pernah kamu kunjungi?
It takes a lot of courage to do that. It takes a lot of courage to do that.
Itu membutuhkan banyak keberanian untuk melakukannya.
My backpack has a broken zipper. My backpack has a broken zipper.
Tas ransel saya resletingnya rusak.
I was at a meeting all day, and it was boring. I was at a meeting all day, and it was boring.
Saya ada pertemuan sepanjang hari, dan itu membosankan.
It's nice to lie down and close my eyes. It's nice to lie down and close my eyes.
Rasanya enak berbaring dan menutup mata.
It's hard to work with so much noise. It's hard to work with so much noise.
Sulit untuk bekerja dengan begitu banyak kebisingan.
I love exploring new cities. I love exploring new cities.
Saya suka menjelajahi kota baru.
I usually drink it every morning. I usually drink it every morning.
Saya biasanya meminumnya setiap pagi.
I should leave earlier next time. I should leave earlier next time.
Saya harus berangkat lebih awal lain kali.
I tried a new coffee today, and it was bitter. I tried a new coffee today, and it was bitter.
Saya mencoba kopi baru hari ini, dan rasanya pahit.
Reading helps me relax and learn new things. Reading helps me relax and learn new things.
Membaca membantu saya bersantai dan belajar hal baru.
I just got a new bike last week. I just got a new bike last week.
Saya baru saja membeli sepeda baru minggu lalu.
I'm afraid I might forget something. I'm afraid I might forget something.
Saya takut saya akan melupakan sesuatu.
I've been to Italy and Spain. I've been to Italy and Spain.
Saya sudah pernah ke Italia dan Spanyol.
Can I ask you a quick question? Can I ask you a quick question?
Bolehkah saya bertanya satu pertanyaan?
Make sure you leave early to avoid being late. Make sure you leave early to avoid being late.
Pastikan kamu berangkat lebih awal agar tidak terlambat.
I always get anxious before important events. I always get anxious before important events.
Saya selalu cemas sebelum acara penting.
I hope it doesn't cause too much damage. I hope it doesn't cause too much damage.
Saya berharap itu tidak menyebabkan kerusakan besar.
I'm happy we both agree on this. I'm happy we both agree on this.
Saya senang kita berdua sepakat tentang ini.
I can't decide what to wear. I can't decide what to wear.
Saya tidak bisa memutuskan apa yang harus dipakai.
I arrived late because of traffic. I arrived late because of traffic.
Saya tiba terlambat karena kemacetan.
Take deep breaths, it always helps. Take deep breaths, it always helps.
Tarik napas dalam-dalam, itu selalu membantu.
I wash my clothes once a week. I wash my clothes once a week.
Saya mencuci pakaian saya sekali seminggu.
I made a simple pasta with tomato sauce. I made a simple pasta with tomato sauce.
Saya membuat pasta sederhana dengan saus tomat.
My flight departs in an hour. My flight departs in an hour.
Penerbanganku berangkat dalam 1 jam.
It's normal to feel that way sometimes. It's normal to feel that way sometimes.
Terkadang merasa seperti itu adalah hal yang normal.
Do you know if there is parking nearby? Do you know if there is parking nearby?
Apakah kamu tahu jika ada parkir di dekat sini?
I usually run for 30 minutes every morning. I usually run for 30 minutes every morning.
Saya biasanya berlari selama 30 menit setiap pagi.
I'll try to stay calm and focused. I'll try to stay calm and focused.
Saya akan coba tetap tenang dan fokus.
I think we should focus on solutions. I think we should focus on solutions.
Saya rasa kita harus fokus pada solusi.
Don't worry, you'll do just fine. Don't worry, you'll do just fine.
Jangan khawatir, kamu akan baik-baik saja.
You must be exhausted. How was your day? You must be exhausted. How was your day?
Kamu pasti sangat lelah. Bagaimana harimu?
I usually get anxious when meeting new people. I usually get anxious when meeting new people.
Saya biasanya cemas saat bertemu orang baru.
I usually ride through the park near my house. I usually ride through the park near my house.
Saya biasanya bersepeda melalui taman dekat rumah.
I've already arrived at the airport. I've already arrived at the airport.
Saya sudah tiba di bandara.
Do you want to meet earlier? Do you want to meet earlier?
Apakah kamu ingin bertemu lebih awal?
We brought some sandwiches and juice. We brought some sandwiches and juice.
Kami membawa beberapa sandwich dan jus.
I like to keep everything organized in my bag. I like to keep everything organized in my bag.
Saya suka menyimpan segala sesuatunya secara teratur di dalam tas saya.
I was nervous, but I did my best. I was nervous, but I did my best.
Saya gugup, tapi saya melakukan yang terbaik.
Did anyone update you on the meeting? Did anyone update you on the meeting?
Apakah ada yang memberitahumu tentang rapat itu?
It was a difficult presentation at work. It was a difficult presentation at work.
Itu adalah presentasi yang sulit di tempat kerja.
I just don't want to look badly in front of others. I just don't want to look badly in front of others.
Saya hanya tidak ingin terlihat buruk di depan orang lain.
We need to present the information accurately. We need to present the information accurately.
Kita harus menyajikan informasi ini dengan akurat.
Do you enjoy cycling in the morning? Do you enjoy cycling in the morning?
Apakah kamu suka bersepeda di pagi hari?
Do you want to meet up before the event? Do you want to meet up before the event?
Apakah kamu ingin bertemu sebelum acara?
She faced the challenge bravely and without fear. She faced the challenge bravely and without fear.
Dia menghadapi tantangan dengan berani dan tanpa rasa takut.
Can I bring anything when we meet? Can I bring anything when we meet?
Apakah saya perlu membawa sesuatu saat kita bertemu?
I'm planning to go for a walk in the park. I'm planning to go for a walk in the park.
Saya berencana untuk berjalan-jalan di taman.
I tried to stay calm and focus on my points. I tried to stay calm and focus on my points.
Saya berusaha tetap tenang dan fokus pada poin-poin saya.
I'll try to be more comfortable next time. I'll try to be more comfortable next time.
Saya akan mencoba untuk lebih nyaman lain kali.
I'm sure people will understand its value. I'm sure people will understand its value.
Saya yakin orang-orang akan mengerti nilainya.
On Tuesday, I have a doctor's appointment. On Tuesday, I have a doctor's appointment.
Pada hari Selasa, saya ada janji dengan dokter.
I try to go for a ride every week. I try to go for a ride every week.
Saya berusaha untuk bersepeda setiap minggu.
I always get a little anxious before speaking. I always get a little anxious before speaking.
Saya selalu merasa sedikit cemas sebelum berbicara.
What do you usually carry in your bag? What do you usually carry in your bag?
Apa saja yang biasanya kamu bawa di tas?
I plan to eat healthier foods and drink more water. I plan to eat healthier foods and drink more water.
Saya berencana makan makanan yang lebih sehat dan minum lebih banyak air.
What time does the meeting start? What time does the meeting start?
Pukul berapa rapat dimulai?
Running is a great way to get energized. Running is a great way to get energized.
Lari adalah cara yang bagus untuk mendapatkan energi.
I find that silence helps me focus. I find that silence helps me focus.
Saya rasa keheningan membantu saya fokus.
We're going to build a new website for the company. We're going to build a new website for the company.
Kami akan membangun situs web baru untuk perusahaan.
I love eating bananas in the morning. I love eating bananas in the morning.
Saya suka makan pisang di pagi hari.
I love watching classic movies in my free time. I love watching classic movies in my free time.
Saya suka menonton film klasik di waktu luang saya.
I like to sit in a quiet room before big events. I like to sit in a quiet room before big events.
Saya suka duduk di ruangan yang tenang sebelum acara besar.
I'm going with a friend. We love outdoor activities. I'm going with a friend. We love outdoor activities.
Saya pergi dengan teman. Kami suka aktivitas luar ruangan.
I'll try to be more confident next time. I'll try to be more confident next time.
Saya akan mencoba lebih percaya diri lain kali.
I try to clean at least once a week. I try to clean at least once a week.
Saya berusaha untuk membersihkan setidaknya sekali seminggu.
Keeping a calm attitude helps you think clearly. Keeping a calm attitude helps you think clearly.
Menjaga sikap tenang membantu berpikir dengan jelas.
I'm sure it will be a fun meeting. I'm sure it will be a fun meeting.
Saya yakin pertemuannya akan menyenangkan.
I usually use a glass cleaner for the windows. I usually use a glass cleaner for the windows.
Saya biasanya menggunakan pembersih kaca untuk jendela.
I try to take deep breaths to relax. I try to take deep breaths to relax.
Saya mencoba untuk bernapas dalam-dalam untuk rileks.
The weather is so bright and sunny today. The weather is so bright and sunny today.
Cuacanya sangat cerah dan cerah hari ini.
I usually keep my bag in the car. I usually keep my bag in the car.
Saya biasanya menyimpan tas saya di mobil.
I was planning to go for a walk. I was planning to go for a walk.
Saya berencana untuk berjalan-jalan.
I love keeping my house clean and organized. I love keeping my house clean and organized.
Saya suka menjaga rumah saya tetap bersih dan teratur.
I need to fix my computer, it's so slow. I need to fix my computer, it's so slow.
Saya perlu memperbaiki komputer saya, ini sangat lambat.
I usually carry an umbrella when it's cloudy. I usually carry an umbrella when it's cloudy.
Saya biasanya membawa payung saat cuacanya mendung.
I'm excited to build a new project at work. I'm excited to build a new project at work.
Saya sangat senang membangun proyek baru di tempat kerja.
Do you prefer outdoor adventures? Do you prefer outdoor adventures?
Apakah kamu lebih suka petualangan luar ruangan?
I've learned that working steadily gets better results. I've learned that working steadily gets better results.
Saya telah belajar bahwa bekerja dengan konsisten akan memberikan hasil yang lebih baik.
A clean house really brings peace of mind. A clean house really brings peace of mind.
Rumah yang bersih benar-benar membawa ketenangan pikiran.
Decisions are clearer when we stay calm. Decisions are clearer when we stay calm.
Keputusan lebih jelas saat kita tetap tenang.
I enjoy listening to music while cleaning. I enjoy listening to music while cleaning.
Saya senang mendengarkan musik saat bersih-bersih.
I try to stay motivated by setting small goals. I try to stay motivated by setting small goals.
Saya mencoba tetap termotivasi dengan menetapkan tujuan kecil.
I just bought a new camera for my trip. I just bought a new camera for my trip.
Saya baru membeli kamera baru untuk perjalanan saya.
I didn't have enough time to finish everything. I didn't have enough time to finish everything.
Saya tidak punya cukup waktu untuk menyelesaikan semuanya.
I want to change my eating habits. I want to change my eating habits.
Saya ingin mengubah kebiasaan makan saya.
I think staying calm helped me make better decisions. I think staying calm helped me make better decisions.
Saya pikir tetap tenang membantu saya membuat keputusan yang lebih baik.
Do you wash your car often? Do you wash your car often?
Apakah kamu sering mencuci mobilmu?
I think it's better to work steadily rather than rush. I think it's better to work steadily rather than rush.
Saya rasa lebih baik bekerja dengan stabil daripada terburu-buru.
I could feel the pressure, but I stayed calm. I could feel the pressure, but I stayed calm.
Saya bisa merasakan tekanan, tapi saya tetap tenang.
How do you stay so polite all the time? How do you stay so polite all the time?
Bagaimana kamu tetap sopan sepanjang waktu?
Do you clean your house by yourself? Do you clean your house by yourself?
Apakah kamu membersihkan rumahmu sendiri?
Music can really lift your mood in the morning. Music can really lift your mood in the morning.
Musik benar-benar bisa meningkatkan suasana hati di pagi hari.
Sometimes I need complete silence to think. Sometimes I need complete silence to think.
Terkadang saya butuh keheningan total untuk berpikir.
I want to change my work environment. I want to change my work environment.
Saya ingin mengubah lingkungan kerja saya.
I make a banana smoothie almost every day. I make a banana smoothie almost every day.
Saya membuat smoothie pisang hampir setiap hari.
I'm so excited for the weekend. I'm so excited for the weekend.
Saya sangat bersemangat untuk akhir pekan.
I absolutely agree with your opinion. I absolutely agree with your opinion.
Saya sangat setuju dengan pendapatmu.
Confidence is key to a good presentation. Confidence is key to a good presentation.
Rasa percaya diri adalah kunci untuk presentasi yang baik.
There was a car accident on the highway. There was a car accident on the highway.
Terjadi kecelakaan mobil di jalan raya.
She is very active in sports. She is very active in sports.
Dia sangat aktif dalam olahraga.
I try to practice staying calm in stressful situations. I try to practice staying calm in stressful situations.
Saya berusaha untuk berlatih tetap tenang dalam situasi yang stres.
The airplane landed safely. The airplane landed safely.
Pesawat itu mendarat dengan aman.
The airport was very busy today. The airport was very busy today.
Bandara itu sangat sibuk hari ini.
Smiling can make a huge difference in how we feel. Smiling can make a huge difference in how we feel.
Tersenyum bisa membuat perbedaan besar dalam perasaan kita.
I think I'll try to stay calm in every situation. I think I'll try to stay calm in every situation.
Saya pikir saya akan coba tetap tenang di setiap situasi.
With determination, you'll definitely succeed. With determination, you'll definitely succeed.
Dengan tekad, kamu pasti akan berhasil.
He cleans the windows every month. He cleans the windows every month.
Dia membersihkan jendela setiap bulan.
The room is cozy and warm. The room is cozy and warm.
Ruangan itu nyaman dan hangat.
He made a bold decision. He made a bold decision.
Dia membuat keputusan yang berani.
The market is crowded on weekends. The market is crowded on weekends.
Pasar itu ramai pada akhir pekan.
A clean space makes everything feel better. A clean space makes everything feel better.
Ruang yang bersih membuat semuanya terasa lebih baik.
The climb was dangerous but exciting. The climb was dangerous but exciting.
Pendakian itu berbahaya tapi mengasihkan.
The weather is cold today. The weather is cold today.
Cuacanya dingin hari ini.
He explained the process clearly. He explained the process clearly.
Dia menjelaskan prosesnya dengan jelas.
She eats a banana every day. She eats a banana every day.
Dia makan sebuah pisang setiap hari.
I will definitely be there on time. I will definitely be there on time.
Saya pasti akan datang tepat waktu.
He decided to study abroad next year. He decided to study abroad next year.
Dia memutuskan untuk belajar di luar negeri tahun depan.
The lecture was quite boring. The lecture was quite boring.
Kuliah itu cukup membosankan.
She smiled awkwardly at the camera. She smiled awkwardly at the camera.
Dia tersenyum canggung di depan kamera.
He speaks English fluently. He speaks English fluently.
Dia berbicara bahasa Inggris dengan lancar.
He drank coffee from a white cup. He drank coffee from a white cup.
Dia minum kopi dari cangkir putih.
The movie ended badly. The movie ended badly.
Akhir dari film itu buruk.
I just finished my work. I just finished my work.
Saya baru saja selesai dengan pekerjaan saya.
The soup tasted bland without spices. The soup tasted bland without spices.
Supnya terasa hambar tanpa bumbu.
She keeps her keys in a drawer. She keeps her keys in a drawer.
Dia menyimpan kuncinya di laci.
She uses her laptop for work. She uses her laptop for work.
Dia menggunakan laptopnya untuk bekerja.